Hello guys, my name is Chanu SAP FICO and Simple Finance Trainer. So today topic is how do I get job in SAP. So this is the topic is very hot and many people are sending email notifications and WhatsApp messages. See guys, generally what happen after completion of your course like in SAP FICO or any other module, they directly go for jobs and the interview will ask different questions. That questions may be related to basic knowledge on SAP FICO or depth knowledge, that may be your financial point of view or any business process or any integration point of view or any configuration that we cannot expect. So that is the reason what we suggest. So while you're going for any interview, so please make sure that do you understand what is the end-to-end business process of your company or what is the financial point of view, and do you have a hands-on knowledge on scenario specific configuration and customization and integration point of view, and do you know what is ABAP concept, and you also check your communication skills and presentation skills over there, and you should know what is the support project and how many tickets will come and how do you resolve and what basis you need to resolve the tickets, so which ticketing tool you are using. So everything you need to know initially before going for the interview. So because in the interview the interviewer will ask completely real-time questions that you may expect. So because you may not expect because you don't have experience, right? So you will face many difficulty in the interview. So in order to avoid this kind of situation, so we are made real time interview videos. It's a paid videos, not free. So if you need the videos, you can just ping me in my WhatsApp. So WhatsApp number also given in the description box, so just send me a message. So if you need paid videos, okay, generally you need to know that so in 1 or 2 days you won't be master in SAP. So it will take more time. So it needs your dedication and hard work too. So please focus on these skill set. So this is Chanu SK signing off.